Amazing facts about flamingo. Meet the flamingo, a bird that's a feast for the eyes with its vibrant pink hues. Ever wondered why they are pink? It's the shrimp they eat. Did you know flamingos are also born gray? Yes. They only turn pink after 2 to 3 years. And get this, they can live up to 80 years. But their uniqueness doesn't stop there. Flamingos stand on one leg to preserve body heat. A great energy saver, isn't it? Lastly, their beaks. They are upside down. No kidding. Mother Nature's fun sense of humor. So, there you have it. Flamingos, a fascinating blend of beauty and biology.